Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn work, energy, and power together, step by step. In physics, work has a precise meaning. Work happens only when a force actually moves an object, and it equals force multiplied by the distance moved. We measure it in joules. So if you push a heavy box and it slides forward, you do work. But if you strain against a wall that never budges, you do zero work, no matter how tired you feel. Energy is simply the capacity to do work, and it comes in many forms. Kinetic energy is the energy of motion, while potential energy is stored, like a ball held high before it drops. Energy is never created or destroyed, only transformed. Power is different. It tells us how fast work gets done, measured in watts. A powerful engine does the same work in less time. Let's lift a box that needs 50 newtons of force, raising it 2 meters onto a shelf. Work equals force times distance, so 50 times 2 gives 100 joules. That energy doesn't vanish. It becomes gravitational potential energy stored in the lifted box. Let go, and that 100 joules converts back into kinetic energy as the box falls. Energy simply changes its costume. Imagine two workers each doing 100 joules of lifting. Worker A finishes in 10 seconds, so their power is 100 divided by 10 watts. Worker B finishes the same task in just 5 seconds, giving 20 watts. Same work, but B delivered it twice as fast and is therefore twice as powerful. Power is all about the rate, not the total. Let's review. Work is force times distance, measured in joules, and it transfers energy. Energy is the ability to do work, conserved as it shifts between kinetic and potential forms. Power measures how quickly that work is done, in watts. These three ideas connect a lifted box, a falling ball, and a roaring engine. Energy never disappears. It just keeps transforming. Great work. Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.